outside in my deck space, and I have Keisha and Keyshawn behind me, and I will be making sure today that I repot them properly and give them the proper soil. This was the soil that was recommended by lots of different palm blogs. I got this straight off of Amazon, and it is for cactus, palm, and citrus plants. And it has lots of instructions on the back, which I really need because I am currently still developing my green thumb and I already killed my plants, so I need all the instructions I can get.
I gave you what you want when you need it. I gave you what you want and you played me.
So now that my new soil is ready, I'm gonna separate the plant from its original pot that I bought it in, and I'm going to put it in a bigger pot because the roots are expanding, and I realized that that was what was stunting its growth, as well as its location in my home and how much light it was getting.
I feel tensed up whenever you dance. Oh, so quick, calm down, that I should relax. Oh, fuck it, joke, cause she gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, gonna bounce, gonna bounce. Oh, fuck it, joke, cause she gonna bounce.
So as you can see, I took them out of their original growing pots, and we had a little visitor down here that I had no idea was in here. But now we have our new soil here, and you can see the food that it contains. It's a little dry because it just came out of the bag, so I'm going to water them a little. But they are completely repotted in bigger pots, and as you can see, they have more space to grow and flourish. Something that I learned today was that the tap water that I was using was causing damage to my plants, so I used distilled water to mist them now. And we're going to see the results of that. And then also going to water the little bit of soil that I did put in there. Just a little bit, because I don't want to drown the plant. And for my final touches, I'll be adding my clear quartz and amethyst to my dirt to allow the plant to absorb its energy. And here they are, looking so beautifully repotted, taken care of, and I'm super excited for their new growth journey. Stay tuned to see how well they do after this repotting process. I'll be keeping you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.